Alright, so for video 3, what I had to do for my UCO page to work is so I had to first add the UCO page.dart to the view folder, which it's pretty simple and whatnot. So I've got my title bar, my pictures, and then as of right here, so for this button for right here to work, I had to add a controller because the home page controller wouldn't work for this since it's not technically on the home page. So I had to add that, and then right here is where the placeholder was. I got the placeholder idea off of the Flutter document where you first directed us to where all the really simple features were, like app bar, container, and whatnot. So I figured I'd use that, and it's a pretty simple little line. So here's my UCO page controller. It's really just got the one event button that controls it, just using the alert dialog. And as you can see right here, it just says it's not implemented quite yet, and then OK, and then when you press the OK button, it takes you back to the UCO page.